Mr. Dennis. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
My name is Mr. Winston Gisiawan.
Winston, this year one?
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Nice to
My
meet you.
number is number 66.
66?
Yes, sir.
Yes, for the rafting thing.
For the rafting.
Ah.
Okay, this area that we are in now is called Berrydale.
Barrydale?
Barrydale.
Ah, alright.
And this area located about roughly 6 miles out of Codanton.
Alright.
Right? The Rio Grande. The river you see here, it's the Rio Grande. You know, it's known as the Rio Grande, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And at Berrydale here, this is where the rafting actually started.
Alright.
Yeah. It is said, I heard that rafting started on the Rio Grande from the year 1911.
Yes.
It started by a captain by the name of Kaiser Miller.
Kaiser Miller?
Yeah, I heard that he was the first person who took visitors down the river.
Alright, one question. White man or black man?
Yes, he took a white man on the river.
Alright.
The captain is a man from this area, so he's a black man.
It's a black man and you just take a white
man.
Yeah.
Yes. And that's when it started. But in those days, the roads were not so improved like today. So the main use of the river in those days, the farmers, the local people in these areas, they used to use the river as a means of transportation.
Yeah.
So they used to transport their produce down the river. I mean banana, jam, and those things, you know.
Man, some good information on the history.
Yes. And then I heard that during those days, the ship producer used to come to Codanton to take produce back to England.
Alright.
So I heard that a sea captain by the name of Captain Baker, he came from, I think it was a place in Massachusetts they call Boundbrook. Massachusetts, Boundbrook.
Yeah, one place just like that at Portland too.
Right, so he was one of the first foreign person who really took people down the river.
Yeah.
I heard that he took his family, maybe his wife and his children, and they went on and they came down the river.
So from that, it just
so
get
from
popular.
that time, he started to advertise and promote.
Yeah, man, and get popular.
Alright,
so what would I want you to tell me now? Tell me a little bit about how the rafting business go up here.
The river today, it is relatively calm today. Normally when we have heavy rain, it would be much more rougher, word speaking, or more exciting. You understand? Whenever time the volume of water is higher, then it's more exciting.
Yeah.
But like today, it is more relaxing. The river like today, it would be a very relaxing tour. When we get heavy rain and you are going, it's more exciting.
Oh,
the rapids are much, rougher,
Well, one day I have to come take a trip. Yeah, man. Rafts can hold like about how much people?
Normally, your ticket, it covers 2 people.
2 people, but it can hold more than 2.
Yes, it can hold more people.
Alright,
but
that's nice.
Remember my number is number 66, right?
66,
yeah,
alright. Captain 66.
Winston,
alright, Mr. Winston. Thanks again.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so that was an interview, the local raftsman. Yeah, Mr. Winston, number 66.
Yeah.
If you come visit, you can come, look for him and make him bring you down on the water and show you what I'm going.
Yeah, we can give you all the information.
Yeah, man. Alright, thank you.